Bro, what the heck? I look like a Dragon Ball Z character. What? Look. Okay, if I fall down. What the flip? Okay, buddy. What the heck? Okay, now they're just gonna act like it's normal, bro. That is not normal! This isn't normal!